one of the things I think that you're really good at, that I've seen is like the operations side of things.
Yes.
So I was wondering if we could just kind of pry into your mind when it comes to operations and how to operate uh, like a laundromat, but also then maybe we can sort of dovetail into operations on pickup and delivery. Does that sound all right?
Sounds great.
Dude.
So, um, when I came into the laundry industry, I came in with my father's mindset, man. He ran kind of similar to a restaurant, and he always said, if you want to learn how to run a restaurant, you got to learn how to wash the dishes, you got to learn how to make a cheeseburger, you got to know everything. So when I first came into the industry, that was my approach. So there's a lot of trial and error in that stage. What times to open, having the right point of sale system in place to track this and give you guys that information. Should I open at 7? Should I open at 6? Should I is anybody coming in during those times? Or is it worth it? Um, Maintaining machines, right? There's a lot of different things and learning how to fix them. Now, I went into it not knowing anything about fixing a washer, but now I know how to teach others how to fix a machine, and I don't have to pay a mechanic every time because I know it's something simple, and machines are like my kids now. I know what it needs. Um, and yeah, and it is a little bit more challenging as you scale, but that's also another thing that a point of sale can include. I know mine has something where I can type in which machine, what was the last service that it did. And this is something very important. You guys spend a lot of money on your machines, and you want them to last as long as they can. And those of you that didn't purchase new machines and you're approaching them with older machines, there's so many just little things that you can do to optimize your machine and maintain it, right? Maintenance is the key for your equipment. Um, what else?
Well, real quick, I mean, yeah, I love that, man. I think kind of getting in there and learning the business is huge. The one thing I'll say and I'll add to that is that when you got into this business, what, like 7, 8 years ago?
Yeah,
Is that right? Yeah. And I was
yeah,
like a little over a decade. Well, when we got into the business, there wasn't really anything out there to help us, right? Like there were no YouTube channels, there were no podcasts, there were no, that there wasn't a lot of resources out there back then. But one of the advantages I think people have now, whether you own a laundromat or multiple laundromats or you're looking to buy your first one, is that you can shortcut some of those things